Hello, welcome again to another episode of the copy trading series. So today we'll be analyzing if copy trading can be considered a safe investment. If you want to find out if copy trading is a safe investment, then this video is for you. A quick shout out to the sponsor of this particular episode. This video is sponsored by FX. If you want to verify or check if a broker is regulated or legit, make sure you use the FX app. You can download the FX app on your app store if you are using iPhone, or if you are using Android, you download it on Play Store. Just type FX, download the app, sign up and log in, then you can start using it to verify and check if a certain broker is regulated or not. A quick introduction: my name is Aniebet Asa. I am a forex trader. I am also the founder of A+ Trading Hub. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below this video and also turn on the notification bell. Just tap the notification bell icon you see there, so whenever I upload a new video on this channel, you will get notified. Let's move straight in. What is copy trading? So copy trading enables individuals in the financial markets to automatically copy positions opened and managed by a professional trader. This is also known as social trading. So copy trading is one of the easiest ways to use another trader's expert knowledge. By copying another trader, you could potentially make money based on their skills without in-depth knowledge of the financial market. So this works by you connecting your own trading account to another trader's account using maybe a copy trading app or platform. Now, the popularity of copy trading has brought the rise of social trading network, and copy trading apps are emerging like mushrooms. Unfortunately, the hype has also caused an increase in the number of malfunctioning copy trading platforms and downright fraudulent practices or scams. Hence the reasons we will be analyzing to know if copy trading can be considered a safe investment. So first of all, let's start by defining what a safe investment is. So these are low risk investment vehicles capable of generating reasonable returns over time. The key word here is low risk. Keyword here is low risk and reasonable returns. Now, this is why I said low risk. There is no investment out there without risks. Even if you are selling pepper or groundnuts or even Gary in the market, there is risk involved. So there is no investment or there is no business out there that does not involve risk. So for a safe investment, it has to be low risk. Keyword low risk and reasonable returns over time. These are the three key metrics for any business or any opportunity to be considered a safe investment. 1 is legality. 2 is security of funds. 3, the low risk and long-term growth. So let's relate this to copy trading. 1, legality. Trading the financial market isn't illegal, so you can't say copy trading is illegal. Then apart from that, the traders or the strategy providers and managers you are copying their trades, they actually gave the brokers consent for people to copy their trades. So this isn't illegal. It is legal. So copy trading is legal. Now, still under the legality, you need to make sure that you are copying trades with regulated brokers, because if you don't copy trade with regulated brokers, that means you may be falling for scams or Ponzi's. So make sure the broker you are using to copy trades is regulated. Also, if you want to easily find out if a broker is regulated or not, then use the FX app. Right? So download the FX app on your app store or on Play Store if you are using Android. Then sign into the app and check if a broker you wish to use for copy trading is regulated. Now, 2, security of funds. Security of funds here, when you are copy trading, your fund stays with you. You get, so your fund stays with you. That means the security of funds. Then also make sure you are trading with brokers that are insured. Like for example, my partner broker is insured. Do you want to know? The link is below this video. If you want to know my preferred or partner broker, the link to register or get an account with them is below this video. So make sure you are trading with an insured broker. When you trade with an insured broker, your funds is safe. If anything happens, you can actually reach out and get your funds back. Also, don't reveal your password, your wallet password to anyone, right? Don't reveal your wallet password or maybe your MC4 password to anyone. Keep everything to yourself. It's actually easy to connect your account to the copy trading apps or platforms and copy a strategy provider or manager. So with this, I can say that there is security of funds in copy trading. Now, if you would like me to make a video on top brokers for copy tradings, I would like you to comment on this video, top broker. Comment top broker if you would love me to make a video on top brokers for copy trading. So when I see lots of comments, people are commenting top broker, then I will consider making a video on this. Low risk and long-term growth is actually on the parts of the strategy providers and managers. Now, you can actually set your risk level in copy trading, unlike maybe account management or trading signals. So with copy trading, you can set your risk level. You can say, okay, I don't want to lose more than 10% or 20% of my account if things goes bad. You get? So with that, you have controlled the risk. That is low risk. Now, for the long-term growth, you need to analyze the long-term profitability of the strategy manager or provider you want to copy. So you still need to do your due diligence to make sure you get this information and this fact checked before you start copying a strategy provider or manager. Also, pay attention to the maximum drawdown. Pay attention to the maximum drawdown of whoever you want to copy. So if you see a maximum drawdown of more than 50%, then that is high risk. That is not low risk. So a maximum drawdown of less than 20% is low risk. Less than 20% is low risk. Then from 30% to 50% is medium risk. Then 50% above is high risk. So with this now, you can actually tell, okay, this trader is not an aggressive trader. So with that, you know this trader is not an aggressive trader. So make sure you pay attention to the maximum drawdown. In the course of this video, we have discussed the 3 key metrics for a safe investment. With all these points I have highlighted, you will agree with me that copy trading is a safe investment. If you found this video helpful, kindly like the video, comment, and also share this video. Before you close this video, if you would love to discover how to print daily alerts from the forex market without giving your money to anyone to invest or pay for expensive signals or bots, then there is a link below this video, on the description below this video. Click that link and it will take you to a page and you read up. It's a more detailed explanation on how this works. So if you are interested in this, make sure you check the link on the description below this video and you get started from there. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the notification.